So how long you make this chain? This is a handmade chain. This is not a real chain.
This is an old model train.
Yes.
From 1976, I think. Which I had as a kid, which I've built up since then.
So people, wanna look, you know. This is a handmade. This is not a real chain.
This is a real model train.
Yes. Handmade. Handmade.
It's actual railway cars of our actual companies that provide freight.
Doobies.
Yeah.
Doobie in there.
So how long you take to make this product? This chain?
These are trains modeled from our country that provide freight and keeping our economy going.
Yeah. People no look, you know. The guy build this, you know, man. This is a handmade chain, you know.
Here we go.
Okay.
Here they come. Careful.
You just look, you know, man. A real thing, you know, man. I'm not Canada, you know.
This is real shit.
You saw man powerful and talented.
Oh my God, it's an organ.
Look how the man talented.
I don't know, but these are real trains. Whether you like it or not, they're models, but they're real.
No, it's an organ.
Handmade chain, brother. I'm
Is
gonna
that
look.
an organ over there?
No,
Real thing, man.
It's my mom's piano. It's an Anna.
Man talented,
Oh,
man.
it's an organ.
I want to know, subscribe and tell me about it.
Touch it. Like my mom.
What do you think about it?
She'd love you.
Subscribe it.
Open the
And
box
tell me what you think about it.
touch it. My mom would love you to do that. It's her piano.
Look how the man powerful, man. The man talented, man. I'm out.
The piano.